Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, charge to at least half and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so signals can negotiate. Open the Visuo app and grant the permissions it requests. This lets the app configure settings and stream video. Power the drone and wait until the LED is steady. This indicates the module is ready. Once done, switch your phone's Wi-Fi to the Visuo XXX network. This creates a direct link for real-time control and telemetry. Now return to the app to proceed with pairing. You'll now complete the app side of the connection. Select your exact Visuo model in the app and tap Connect. The app will negotiate a handshake and start a live data stream. Make sure the UI shows battery percentage, GPS lock, and signal strength. These confirm telemetry is flowing. If the app asks, perform compass and gyro calibration. Why? Because accurate orientation prevents drift and ensures return to homeworks. Once the live video appears, practice basic controls in a safe open area. You finish by running quick functional checks, test stick responsiveness, camera tilt, and do a short hover to confirm stability. If the app suggests a firmware update, accept it while both devices stay powered and on a stable connection. Updates fix bugs and improve link reliability. Make sure geofencing settings and permissions remain enabled. If video fails or telemetry drops, reboot the drone and phone, rejoin the Visuo XXX network, and reopen the app. If needed, reinstall the app to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.